Welcome to the course. My name is Alex Kinedinik and I'll be your instructor. I sincerely appreciate
This video is brought to you by Appy Pie Academy.
that time and trust that you're putting into me and this course, and I'll do whatever I can to make sure that you get a lot of value from this course. Starting with, I make sure to answer 99% of student questions within 24 hours, and I regularly hold office hours where you and I can actually have a real conversation, one-on-one conversation about your business and get you moving in the right direction. So let me quickly tell you about this course and my background so that you know exactly what to expect from the course and how to take it. So my background is that I'm a business coach with over 1,000 clients over the years, and many of them have needed good domain names. So over time, I've created really creative ways to find fantastic, premium looking domain names for my clients that make their businesses look like $1,000, that's like $1 million, right? Like really great domain names. Sometimes we get them for $1, sometimes we get them for free. But the point is, even if you spend $10 on a domain name, the point is that the domain names look amazing, super professional, couldn't get more professional. And from that point on, that positions their business to always make a fantastic first impression to every new client. Not to mention that when people see a really good looking domain name in the search results of Google, there's a much higher click-through rate as opposed to if you had a less professional, less catchy domain name. So there's a lot of benefits, and I'm really excited about the kinds of domain names that I've been finding for my clients, and that's exactly what I teach you in this course. So this course is specifically for small business owners who are looking for a great domain name. You'll be able to find the most awesome domain name in this course. Now, that's the first part of the course. There's another part of the course that if you find more than one, if you find multiple domain names, which you totally can do in this course, you'll be able to actually sell some of them for a profit. That's a minor part of this course. The majority of the focus of this course is to helping you as the small business owner have a fantastic domain name. That's the real focus of this course, and only see that part about selling the domain as an added benefit. So if you're a small business owner, I'm really excited about the kind of domains you can find. In fact, I'm excited if you posted the domain you found in the course discussion so we can take a look at it and I can give you feedback, and hopefully other students can give you feedback as well, especially right before you buy it. So I'm excited for you. I hope you're excited. Let's get started.